Hi guys, this is the Tech Girl 007. I hope you're doing great. So today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to make your TV wireless, or maybe connect your smart TV to the wireless network. Obviously, this demonstration is mainly for smart TVs. Otherwise, if you want to know more about how to make your normal TV wireless, then just comment below and I shall let you guys know. Okay, let's get on with the video then. Right, so first of all, what you want to do is on the remote control, go on to where it says menu. So press on the menu and now go on to general. So obviously look at the remote as well as my screen. Sometimes the remote will be blurred out. So go to network now and then go on to open network settings. So that's the OK button. Alright, you can see in here it says wireless. You will not have that blue tick on your wireless option. The reason I'm showing it is because I'm already connected to it. So once you have selected wireless, then you should have the name of the internet connections that you have on there, which you've seen on my list. And now I'm trying to enter the password for my internet router that I have at home, and then to make it capital, you go onto the left side on the up arrow. When it's fully blue, then that means all the letters are capital. You see it's blue now, right? And then you want to go on the left side and say and click the tick arrow next to P. You can see it over there. That's after when you've finished entering the password. Say OK and tick that. Okay, so this is just trying to connect. Don't cancel it, just wait for it. Right, so that's connected now, and then you want to just press OK on the remote control. Okay, now let's go back to open network settings. Just want to show you. Okay, so you'll see wireless there again, and you can see that tick, so that means it's been connected. Obviously I already have it. I already had it because I was already connected. Right, so these are the list that I was talking about. So you'll get this list on your screen and you can select whichever is your internet, the name of your internet connection. Alright, that's it guys. Alright, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you on my next video. Thank you, bye.